Hey there YouTube. Today I'm doing a 2-year later video review on this APEC Water Systems CD-NP faucet. It's for reverse osmosis systems. It has been over 2 years since I purchased this. Yeah, I gotta say I'm pretty impressed with it. I upgraded from a cheap one that comes with the systems, and this is 1,000 times better. I do have some critiques that I wanted to mention. One thing that I always thought was kind of strange is that you turn it on by lowering this and off by raising it. It's kind of counterintuitive as to what you would think, because you'd think gravity might pull this down over time and turn it on, but it doesn't do that. One problem, after a few weeks of use, it leaves a little water droplet there. I even tried taking the screen out, and it still kind of does this even after 2 years. There's a little tiny drop of water left suspended. 99% of people may not notice, but I do. If you unscrew this tip, there was a tiny metal screen in there, but I took that out by just simply unscrewing this. Let me show you how easy that is. You just take this off. There's a little screen in there from the factory. I took that out because it was making the water kind of aerated. And so I kind of like this steady stream better. You can move this however much you want. So that's kind of nice. You can kind of get it out of the way when you don't need it, then put it back when you do. Whatever components that are in here, they don't seem to wear from going back and forth with that. So that's cool. So yeah, that's really all I got. I would buy it again. If you have any questions, post them in the comments, and thanks for watching.